This product is used to relieve constipation. It works by increasing the bulk in your stool, which helps to stimulate the movement of the intestines. It also helps to soften the stool by increasing the amount of water in it. In addition to treating constipation, psyllium, the main ingredient in this product, has also been used with a proper diet to help lower high cholesterol levels. The recommended daily dosage is to take 1 to 2 capsules up to 3 times a day with at least 8 ounces of water or other liquid. It is best to take this medication at least 1 hour before or 2 to 4 hours after taking other medications or supplements. When taking Konsyl sugar-free 0.52 gram capsule, it's important to follow your doctor's instructions or the directions on the product package. To prevent choking, make sure to take it with a full glass of water or liquid. If you are taking the wafers, chew them thoroughly before swallowing. For powder forms, measure each dose according to the label directions, mix it in a full glass of water or liquid, stir completely, and drink it right away. You can add more liquid if the mixture becomes too thick. Be careful not to breathe in the powder when preparing the medication. The dosage of this medication is based on your age, medical condition, and how you respond to treatment. Do not increase your dose or take it more often than directed. This product may decrease the absorption of other medications you may be taking. Take Konsyl sugar-free 0.52 gram capsule at least 2 hours apart from your other medications. It may take 1 to 3 days before this medication starts working, so use it regularly to get the most benefit. Take it at the same time each day to help you remember. Do not take this medication for more than 7 days unless directed by your doctor. If your condition lasts or gets worse, or if you experience bleeding from the rectum, be sure to tell your doctor. If you think you may have a serious medical problem, seek medical help right away. Some possible side effects of Konsyl sugar-free 0.52 gram capsule include gas or stomach cramping. If these effects persist or worsen, consult your doctor or pharmacist. It's important to note that your doctor has determined that the benefits of using this product outweigh the potential risks of side effects. Most people using this medication do not experience serious side effects. To prevent choking, this product should be taken with at least a full glass of water or other liquid. Seek immediate medical help if you experience symptoms of choking such as chest pain, vomiting, or difficulty swallowing after taking this product. While a serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare, seek medical help right away if you notice symptoms such as rash, itching/swelling, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any other effects. If you're in the US, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or report them to the FDA at 1-800-FDA-1088 or at www.fda.gov/medwatch. In Canada, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, or report them to Health Canada at 1-866-234-2345. Before taking Konsyl sugar-free 0.52 gram capsule, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you have any allergies or if you are allergic to any of the inactive ingredients in the product. It's important to discuss your medical history, especially if you have stomach or intestinal issues, difficulty swallowing, or a sudden change in bowel habits that lasts for longer than 2 weeks. If you are diabetic or have phenylketonuria, PKU, it's advised to use this product with caution as it may contain sugar and/or aspartame. Also, consult your doctor if you are pregnant or breastfeeding before using this medication. And before having surgery, make sure to inform your doctor or dentist about all the medications and herbal products you are using. It's important to be aware of potential drug interactions, as they can affect how your medications work and may increase your risk for serious side effects. Always keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. It's crucial to follow your doctor's guidance and not start, stop, or change the dosage of any medicines without their approval. Remember to check the How to Use section for more information. If you suspect an overdose or experience severe symptoms like passing out or difficulty breathing, call 911 immediately. Otherwise, contact a poison control center right away. In the US, you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. Canadian residents can call a provincial poison control center. It's important to keep all medical and lab appointments, and to make lifestyle changes that may help prevent or relieve constipation. These changes include exercising, drinking enough water, and eating a proper diet with fiber-rich foods such as bran, fresh fruits, and vegetables. It's a good idea to talk to your doctor or pharmacist about lifestyle changes that might benefit you. Remember to take Konsyl sugar-free 0.52 gram capsule as directed by your healthcare provider. If you forget to take a dose of Konsyl sugar-free 0.52 gram capsule, take it as soon as you remember. If it's close to the time for your next dose, just skip the missed dose and take your next dose at the regular time. Do not take a double dose to make up for the missed one. When it comes to storing Konsyl sugar-free 0.52 gram capsules, it's important to follow the specific instructions on the product package or ask your pharmacist for guidance. It's crucial to keep all medications out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to disposing of this product, it's important not to flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless instructed to do so. When the medication is expired or no longer needed, it should be properly discarded. It's recommended to consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the best way to do this. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.